In the vast and ever-evolving world of e-commerce, dropshipping has emerged as a popular business model, allowing aspiring entrepreneurs to sell products without the need for inventory or upfront investment. It's a low-risk, high-reward proposition, at least in theory. However, the success of any dropshipping venture hinges heavily on reliable suppliers, quality products, and efficient fulfillment. This is where platforms like Spocket step in, aiming to bridge the gap between eager sellers and trustworthy suppliers. For those new to the dropshipping scene, Spocket presents itself as a streamlined solution. It boasts a curated marketplace of suppliers primarily located in the US and EU, a significant advantage over the often lengthy shipping times associated with suppliers from other regions. The platform emphasizes product quality, offering a range of items from clothing and accessories to home goods and tech gadgets. They highlight features like automated order processing, real-time inventory updates, and branded invoicing, all designed to simplify the dropshipping process. But as with any tool that promises to revolutionize your business, a healthy dose of skepticism is warranted. We've all seen platforms that shine brightly in their marketing materials but crumble under the weight of real-world use. So, to truly understand how legit Spocket is, we need to peel back the layers and examine its core functionalities, its pros and cons, and what real users are saying. Let's start by diving into Spocket's value proposition. At its heart, Spocket aims to solve one of the biggest pain points in dropshipping: finding reliable suppliers with fast shipping. Many dropshippers, especially beginners, often start with platforms like AliExpress, which, while offering a vast array of products, can be plagued by long shipping times, inconsistent product quality, and communication barriers with suppliers. Spocket addresses these concerns by focusing on suppliers with a strong emphasis on speed and quality. This means happier customers, fewer complaints, and potentially more repeat business for you. Another key feature that stands out is Spocket's product curation. Unlike marketplaces where you sift through an overwhelming number of generic products, Spocket aims to offer a more refined selection. They claim to vet their suppliers and products, meaning you're less likely to encounter low-quality or counterfeit items. This pre-screening can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your store rather than endlessly searching for good products. Then there's the automation aspect. Spocket integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Wix. This integration allows for one-click product imports, automated order fulfillment, and real-time inventory synchronization. Imagine a customer placing an order on your store, and without you lifting a finger, Spocket automatically routes that order to the supplier, who then ships it directly to your customer. This level of automation frees you from tedious manual tasks, allowing you to scale your business more efficiently. But no platform is perfect, and Spocket is no exception. While its focus on US and EU suppliers is a massive advantage for shipping times, it also means a potentially narrower product selection compared to global marketplaces. You might find fewer niche products or highly specialized items, which could be a drawback depending on your target market. Another point to consider is the pricing structure. Spocket operates on a subscription model, with different tiers offering varying features and access to a larger number of premium products. While the free plan allows you to browse products, you'll need a paid subscription to actually start selling. For beginners with limited budgets, this upfront cost might be a hurdle. It's crucial to weigh the subscription fee against the potential benefits and sales you expect to generate. Furthermore, while Spocket strives for quality control, it's not foolproof. As with any dropshipping model, you are ultimately relying on third-party suppliers. While Spocket does its best to vet them, occasional issues with product quality, discrepancies in inventory, or communication challenges can still arise. It's essential to maintain open communication with your customers and be prepared to handle any unforeseen circumstances. So, what are real users saying about Spocket? A quick search across various forums, review sites, and YouTube channels reveals a mixed but generally positive sentiment. Many users praise the fast shipping times and the quality of products, highlighting the positive impact on customer satisfaction. The ease of use and seamless integration with e-commerce platforms are also frequently commended. Dropshippers often mention the time-saving benefits of Spocket's automation features, allowing them to focus on marketing and customer service. However, some users have raised concerns about the pricing, particularly for those just starting out. A few individuals have reported occasional issues with specific suppliers, emphasizing the importance of doing your own due diligence even within the Spocket ecosystem. Product availability can also be a point of contention for some, as the curated selection, while high quality, might not always cater to every niche or highly specific product need. Ultimately, is Spocket legit? The overwhelming evidence points to yes. Spocket is a legitimate and valuable tool for dropshippers. It addresses critical pain points in the dropshipping journey, particularly concerning shipping times and product quality. Its focus on US and EU suppliers is a game-changer for customer satisfaction, and its automation features significantly streamline the order fulfillment process. However, like any business tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. Spocket is not a magic bullet that guarantees instant success. It's a powerful platform that can significantly enhance your dropshipping business when combined with sound marketing strategies, excellent customer service, and a clear understanding of your target audience. You still need to research your niche, market your products effectively, and build a strong brand presence. Think of Spocket as a high-performance engine for your dropshipping car. It provides the power and efficiency, but you're still the driver. You need to steer it in the right direction, choose the right roads, and maintain it properly to reach your destination. Before committing to a paid plan, I highly recommend taking advantage of Spocket's free trial. This will allow you to explore the platform, browse products, and get a feel for its interface without any financial commitment. Read reviews, watch other YouTube videos, and most importantly, consider your own business needs and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.